Hey everybody, Mike Parecka from SkipperBud's in Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Just walked by this trade we just took in and I was blown away by its condition, so I thought I'd take a moment and just do a quick video. So this is a 2016 Chaparral 307 SSX. Has the arch, making it an SSX. Two-tone gel coat, black with a beautiful silver metallic insert. Just overall, there's no gel blems in this. There are, the PVC and stainless steel rub rail are in amazing condition, like new, absolutely like new. Look at the gel coat, look at the reflection. I could shave, really, I could shave. It's absolutely stunning. Running surface on this, really aggressive 22-degree dead rise, really pronounced strakes on the running surface here. Look at the shine on the bottom of this. Really pronounced shine that runs the full length, really pronounced strakes that run mostly the full length of this boat. That's really going to allow the boat to turn nice and ride in rough water really nice. Beautiful stainless steel anchor, like new. There's the plate. You usually see these get nicks and dings from anchoring. This boat was used in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, freshwater its entire life. One owner, under 300 hours. I want to say it's like 270 something. Overall length is 30 feet 2 inches. It's got a 9-foot beam. Dry weight 6,200 pounds, 22-degree dead rise. It's got twin Mercury 350 mags, 300 horsepower apiece. So a total of 600. Twin Bravo 3s. Counter rotating. This does have the extended plain hull. What that means, it's kind of a really neat feature that Chaparral does, and Four Winds does something very similar. But you see this edge where the drives are inset, and that edge that comes out probably 8 to 10 inches. What that does is having that pod kind of hang out. It acts like a permanent trim tab. So as the boat is moving forward and the aft wants to go down, it presses it up and gets it on plane. So really efficient running surface, a boat that Chaparral's done very, very well with over the years. You can see this one has underwater running lights. Or underwater lights, they're not running, but underwater lights. It's a 2016. See if we can get the VIN there. The last 2 digits of the VIN are always the model year. Look up in here. Beautiful condition. We have LED lighting under here to kind of give it illumination. Another light right here. Give it illumination in this area at night. There's that rub rail. This is a like new 2016. I mean, it's by far the nicest pre-owned boat we have here. Look at the reflection of this gel coat. All of this mechanic stuff behind me. Taking a look at the interior of this 2016 Chaparral 307 SSX. Beautiful faux teak. Chaparral logo. 100 gallons of fuel. You have fuel fills on the starboard and port side right there. You have a aft stereo remote. This seat right now is in the aft chaise position. It is a power seat. At the helm there's a button. You hit the button, the seat will slide out and that back will lay down, just to give you more sunning area here. Pop-up cleats on both sides. Those are really nice. Push them down so you're not tripping over them. This right here, that is a shower to rinse yourself off. Really nice little tow hook here. That's for a tuber or a skier. Really nice handle, all stainless steel. This is your waist cap here. And then this white box, that is the plug-in area for the 30 amp cord. 07. This is to mount your American flag, which is right here. Stainless steel pole. Really a nice seating configuration. Simple, but you have this large U-wrap here, aft and port side, getting as many butts in there as you can comfortably. High back seats, so they're very comfortable. See the handrails inset there, so you're not hitting your back if you're sitting there, but still usable. See the LED courtesy lighting throughout the boat. This is your water fill. It's 100 gallons of fuel. It's 15 gallons of fresh water. Holding tank, I want to say, is 3.5 or 3.8 gallons. Chaparral does such a nice job with their hinges. These cushions move so easily. Look at these. Gas assist. Really easy to use. Cooler storage. Scuppers back here for drainage, so the boat will have a natural list to the aft. Any water's on board, it's going to come back here, drain into the bilge, and then get pumped out. Engine hatch is motorized. You lift it up. We've got two 350 mags. This is your cocktail table hookup right there. Once again, awesome hinges. It's a canvas bag, 30 amp cord. Get down here, battery switches, windlass breaker, negative and positive terminal for jump starts, and then that is your breaker for the shore cord. This is a 2016. Does not look like it. Does not look like a 6-year-old boat. Refrigerator, door opens aft. Sink bar area. Double wide hum seat with the Chaparral logo. Look at this. Windshield or steering wheel cover. I just took the steering wheel cover off this. Not many 2016 boats still have the steering wheel cover on them. I misspoke before. It's 284.3 hours. And this I love. Buttons, not digital switching. So we're actually hitting buttons here, which is way more simple and way more reliable, I believe. Horn, nav lights, wiper, arch light, courtesy lights, vent lights for the outside, accessory, a dimmer. Right here, this is I call it the magic button, the battery parallel. If you don't know what that is, if you have a dead battery and you hit that button, it'll pull all the power in the boat, all the battery power to start that engine, to get the alternators turning, to get the battery charged. Ignitions, stereo remote. This is your blower. Windlass, accessories, electronics, trim tabs. So if you turn this trim tab button on, you have your trim tabs right here. Linco system, not automatic, manual. Love it, love it. Power engine hatch, bilge pump, which is automatic, but you have a button for it. That seat, this is the aft seat I was telling you about. So if I hit this button, that aft seat will lay down. Fuel gauge. Garmin GPS. Tachometer with hours. Once again, each engine has its own volts, oil pressure, temperature, trim, both sides. Mercury control box, trim up and down, LED lighting, fire extinguisher pull at the helm, really nice chrome speaker accents, this seagrass carpet, it's like new, like new. This has bolsters in it. See the bolsters down here. I have the bolster up in this position. Allows you to stand behind the helm or sit, give you a better vantage visually. Stainless steel cap on the windshield, very nice touch. I just like the look of this, all these grays and this bamboo woven. It's an artificial material. It's not bamboo, but it really has that bamboo look to it, and it's really sharp. Looks very elegant. I love this sheen on the vinyl. This makes it look very rich. The steering wheel has a centering function, so as you turn the wheel, that will always sit, the logo will always sit centered. We have a glove box here, just a little place to store your phones and whatnot. You have a latch and a handle. This gets us to the head. Vacuum flush head. It's not a porta potty, so this actually has a holding tank. You lift the foot pedal up. It'll take fresh water out of the tank, fill the bowl, you use it, press the foot pedal down, and it flushes. Sink. Window for ventilation. That same dash material on this side. Acrylic bow door. So this basically clicks there. You shut the windshield. Cuts about 85% of the wind coming through the boat, so it gives it a quieter ride and less windy ride for people in the cockpit. Magnetic ball holds the windshield door down. Poke head unit, large storage area, garbage can underneath the helm. There's this, I have it set up in the bow filler cushion so you can see it, but there is a storage locker on the floor below. Armrests, really nice back, comfortable. One of the only blends I found on the entire boat is this little area right here, and that's from canvas rubbing. And probably a little more TLC cleaning, probably take care of that, but that's really the only blem on this boat. Windlass foot pedals, chain locker. Bow rail stainless steel, give you a good area to grab. High back seats, so not a bad seat in the house. Boat does have full cockpit and bow covers, so a lot of room to entertain, have family, throw a nice little party. Ample sunshade. Once again, 2016, pretty darn close to a new boat. 284, 285 hours. This boat is located at SkipperBud's in Winthrop Harbor. It's called North Point Marina. Phone number is 847-872-3200. Wonderful boat. Come on in, take a look at it.